Should couples live together before marriage? The decision of whether couples should live together before marriage is one that has sparked debate for decades. Traditionally, many cultures and societies discouraged cohabitation before marriage, often associating it with moral or religious concerns. However, modern perspectives have shifted, and more couples are choosing to live together before tying the knot. Living together before marriage can offer practical advantages, but it also comes with challenges that may impact the long-term success of the relationship. This article explores the benefits and potential drawbacks of cohabiting before marriage to help couples make informed decisions about this important step. 1. Understanding compatibility. One of the primary arguments in favor of living together before marriage is that it allows couples to better understand their compatibility. Sharing a living space provides insight into each other's habits, routines, and lifestyle preferences that might not be evident when dating but living separately. From managing household chores to handling finances and dealing with everyday stress, cohabitation exposes couples to the realities of a shared life. Testing compatibility. By living together, couples get the chance to see if they are truly compatible in the practical aspects of life. They can observe how they handle conflict, how they share responsibilities, and how they navigate each other's personal quirks and habits. These experiences can be essential in determining whether a relationship is built for the long term. Without living together, these insights might only come to light after marriage, potentially leading to surprises and challenges later on. Reducing uncertainty. Living together can reduce the uncertainty that some couples feel before marriage. Instead of committing to a lifelong partnership without fully understanding how well they function as a team, cohabitation allows for a trial run. This can help alleviate doubts and provide reassurance that the relationship is stable and ready for marriage. 2. Building communication and problem-solving skills. Cohabiting before marriage offers couples the opportunity to build and refine communication and problem-solving skills. Sharing a home often requires frequent discussions about finances, chores, personal space, and future goals. Living together presents challenges that require couples to communicate effectively and compromise on issues that may not have been prominent while dating. Conflict resolution. Living together can also help couples develop stronger conflict resolution skills. Disagreements over household matters, finances, or personal boundaries are inevitable, and couples who cohabit have the chance to practice working through these conflicts in real time. These experiences can strengthen the relationship and prepare couples for the challenges that marriage may bring. 3. Financial benefits. Living together before marriage can also provide financial benefits. By combining households, couples can split rent, utilities, and other living expenses, potentially saving money. For some, this shared financial responsibility can relieve individual financial pressure, allowing them to build a more stable future together. However, it's essential for couples to have clear discussions about finances before moving in together. Living together means sharing financial obligations, so setting expectations about budgeting, bill splitting, and savings goals is crucial to avoid misunderstandings or resentment. 4. The risks of living together before marriage. While there are clear benefits to living together before marriage, there are also potential risks that couples should consider. Some studies suggest that couples who live together before marriage may have a higher chance of divorce, a phenomenon often referred to as the cohabitation effect. However, recent research indicates that this is less about cohabitation itself and more about the dynamics of the relationship, the reasons for moving in together, and individual values. The cohabitation effect. One theory behind the cohabitation effect is that some couples slide into living together without consciously deciding if it is the right step for their relationship. This sliding into cohabitation, rather than making a deliberate decision, can lead to couples staying in relationships that may not be built on a strong foundation. Over time, this lack of intentionality can contribute to dissatisfaction and, ultimately, divorce, loss of relationship novelty. Another risk is that living together before marriage may reduce some of the excitement and novelty that comes with newlywed life. For couples who value the traditional progression of marriage, moving in together before marriage might make the transition feel less special. some people might feel that the lines between dating and marriage blur when they live together first, which could lead to a less enthusiastic commitment to marriage. 5. Emotional and commitment considerations. For some couples, living together before marriage might blur the lines between serious commitment and casual cohabitation. While sharing a living space can strengthen a relationship, it might also delay the decision to marry, leading some couples to remain in a comfortable cohabiting arrangement without ever making the full commitment to marriage. In other cases, couples may feel pressure to stay together longer than they otherwise would, simply because they have built a life together and share financial or domestic responsibilities. This emotional and practical entanglement can make it harder for couples to walk away from a relationship that might not be the right fit. 6. Cultural and religious factors. Cultural and religious factors still play a significant role in the decision of whether to live together before marriage. For some, cohabitation before marriage is frowned upon or considered morally wrong, making the decision to move in together challenging within the context of family expectations or community values. Couples who come from religious or cultural backgrounds that discourage cohabitation must carefully weigh the potential benefits of living together against the impact it may have on their relationships with family and their community. Conclusion: living together before marriage is a decision that comes with both benefits and risks. It allows couples to test their compatibility, build communication skills, and potentially save money. However, it also carries the risk of sliding into cohabitation without fully committing, which can lead to dissatisfaction or delay in making a firm decision about marriage. Ultimately, whether couples should live together before marriage depends on their values, relationship goals, and communication. For some, cohabiting before marriage can strengthen their relationship and confirm their readiness for a lifelong commitment. For others, it may lead to confusion or create unintended complications. The key is for couples to have open and honest discussions about their expectations and goals for their relationship, ensuring that cohabitation is a conscious choice that aligns with their long-term intentions.